Hey Drip Droppers, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be making another wall art using a record because they're easy to pour on, they're great for learning. I love to test on them before I do something big. Today we're going to try like a golden horizon bloom. So I'm going to swipe on it. I'm going to use Naval as my base, but I'm looking for like these rich, beautiful magentas and golds with it. So let's get underway. Here we go. All right, so using a record again, I've covered the hole, I taped it, and I put press and seal on. And I'm going to start by testing this Sherwin Williams Naval. Now, I've added some Behr 8153 to it because what I've noticed is it's just too thin and it's not holding up my cells. So today we're going to try something else, and I'm going to get it out to the edges here because I don't want to have to spin it too much. The spinning and tilting can ruin, what I'm making. So I want to have the least amount of spinning I can. I'm going to have it as much out to the edges as I can. All right, and it looks like we've got quite a few bubbles. Let's see if we can pop some of those just by tapping it. That's my trick for bubble popping. And let me try and see if I can pop a few of the big ones. I'll just use a little stick that I have. If you don't pop them along the way, they make an appearance in your final project. It is just an absolutely glorious day out there. Beautiful, beautiful weather. Beautiful. I don't know if you can see, but all the docks are out of the water. Everybody's boats are in. And the lake we live on, that's required. You can't leave your dock in the water or a boat in the water all season. Even though sometimes I think people would like to.